I accept this honor from the Boston Global Forum for World Leaders Spirit and Peace and Security. And I dedicate this honor to all the volunteers who have been tirelessly working for peace of various NGOs around the world. Peace and security often are said in one breath. Though a lot is done for security, very little attention is given for peace. Peace building is absolutely essential. And the root cause of conflicts had to be nipped at the very bud. And for this, peace education, I feel, is very essential. And inspiration through the forum like Boston Global Forum, which upholds the moral, spiritual, and ethics of human existence, plays a very important role. Peace cannot come just by words. It has to translate into action. Where there is conflict, we need mediators who can build the bridges. And people, if we have to build bridges, they have to be free from any type of agenda or bias. Just compassion and clarity in action will make the way for it. A moral and spiritual force is essential to quell the distress and mistrust that our society has formed over the years. I'm glad that artificial intelligence world society is joining hands in this, very noble cause to bring peace a living reality. The purpose of technology is to bring comfort. And we have to question ourselves in this age, are there enough comfort? Yes, physical comfort is there, but mental health crises have skyrocketed. One of the biggest challenges today, we have mental health issues. Whether it is in the school, in school districts or the college campuses, the prison, at home, everywhere in the world, depression and mental health issues, suicide issues are rising. So it's very important to bring peace to the doors of people. Darkness cannot come to light, but light has to go to the dark, where there is darkness. And this is an effort that all of us will have to be engaged in making it a reality. So I once again thank the forum for honoring me with this award, and I'm sure this forum will continue to inspire millions across the globe to walk the path of nonviolence, to walk the path of peace, and to give this message of clarity in mind, purity in heart, sincerity in action as the very theme or goal of one's life. In short, I would say, let us all dream for a violence-free and stress-free society, a disease-free body, a mind with happiness and joy, and a heart full of compassion and resilience, and a creativity that brings more joy and happiness in society than destruction. Thank you very much for being with me.